This question is from Shiv Tej, who's in New York. Brahman is often described in paradoxical terms. It is attributeless, Nirguna, yet can be conceived with attributes, Saguna, for the purpose of meditation and worship. To realize the attributeless Brahman, the true self within, meditation attributes have to be dropped. How does the mind do that? The mind always has a query.
How does the mind drop attributes? And when you answer, you're right. The mind cannot function without attributes, without properties, without labels, without activities. So when the mind becomes no mind, then only. But what does it mean precisely? Are you with attributes or without attributes? By attributes I mean properties, qualities, distinctive features. Immediately our answer is, of course I have distinctive features. I am this guy and I have a name, I have a certain height and a weight and a medical history, a personal history, a job history, an academic record, my own narration of my life. I have a financial record. All of these are attributes, social attributes, psychological attributes, physical attributes. But it's all related to the body and its activities in the world. Go to the mind also has certain attributes. That's what's measured in personality tests and all. Definitely the mind has attributes. But Vedanta says you are not the body, not the mind. Or at least that's a shocker for many people. I take it more gently. Somebody said, don't keep saying that, Swami. People don't like it. All right, I can say that you are not only the body, not only the mind. You're not just the body or just the mind. The witness consciousness, the Sakshi which we have been talking about, that is attributeless. You might say, isn't consciousness an attribute of it then? No. Consciousness is what it is. So the table is wood. And then it has a certain size, certain color, certain shape. Those are attributes. But the wood is not an attribute. Wood is the reality of this table. It's the substance. Somewhat like that, in more so. Consciousness is what you are. Being, existence is what you are. That has no attribute. Attributes are imposed upon it. Now, because we have an aspect to our being which has attributes, body, which has attributes, mind, and an aspect to our being which our reality about ourselves, which is attributeless, beyond properties, beyond qualities. Therefore, attributeless meditation is possible. You said, how can the mind, which always has attributes, has properties, how can it do a non-dual meditation? Well, because the essence of the mind, the reality beyond the mind is attributeless. And when the mind, you try to focus being attributeless, the mind will become no mind. Mind will stop functioning at that time. And that is called samadhi. And I'm putting it very crudely. There are actual procedures. It's not as simple as that. The guru will not tell you, sit quietly. Okay, what next? Drop all attributes. No. That doesn't function. And that doesn't work. So, our attention, and you know the techniques. There are many such techniques. Our attention will be drawn, first of all, away from the world to the body. You feel the body, actually, experientially. From there, the attention will be drawn to the breath. More inwards, more subtle. The breath. From there, the attention will be drawn to the mind, the emotions, thoughts, memories. There, the attention, you'll have to draw your attention inwards further to the intellect, the power of understanding, which is using all this. From there, the intellect also, the ego there, the sense of I itself. From there to beyond that, suppose you are not aware of the body, of the world. World has disappeared. Suppose you are not aware. Do a thought experiment. You are not aware of the body. Suppose you are not aware of the breath. Keep breathing. Don't stop breathing. Suppose you are not aware of the breath. Suppose the mind has quietened down. No thoughts. Emotions are neutral. No memories. You don't even remember what happened a moment ago. Entire life forgotten. Nothing is there. Then the sense of I also drop it. If you can drop it. You will find a blankness. Just a peaceful, quiet blankness. Now, what is that blankness appearing to? That's the pure subject. And you will notice, either you'll fall asleep, It's very nice, peaceful. That sleep is just the deepening of that blankness, nothing else. But what we are asking is, what is that blankness or even the sleep, consequent sleep, what is it appearing to? That one has no attributes, and yet it exists. Yes. That's why non-dual meditation is possible. I'm establishing the theoretical possibility of non-dual meditation, even without attributes. Just as an addendum, remember the primary procedure in Advaita Vedanta is not non-dual meditation. It is inquiry, which will reveal to us an already existing non-dual self, which is not dependent on your meditation. However, meditation can sharpen and deepen that inquiry, no doubt about it.